Where I need to come down for oxygen. Cause once we started, baby, ain't no stopping in. Cause I just wanna live my life with party. All I want is to be free and rock my body. Around the world, I wanna.
Before you play with fire, do think twice. And if you get burned, well, baby, don't you be surprised. Lifted, drifting higher than the ceiling. Ooh, baby, it's the ultimate feeling.
You mean you're actually going to kill me?
I mean just that.
Well, go ahead.
I'll do this my own way.
Won't do it. You can't pull the trigger. You can't pull it because you love me.
Going back to your class?
Hey, your dragon just shot at us.
Yes, I know. I told him to.
Who are you? You're not me. There's just no way. I'd never do the kind of things that you've been doing. Oh, spare me. Just stop it. Why are you acting like the part of me that I hate? I wish you would just go away. Why are you so warm? Why do I have to feel your body heat? Is there no escaping you?
But how can you? I'm lame just like you are now, aren't I?
Anyway, what does it matter? It's not like you have another Dragon Eye laying around. Of course he does.
Night Fury. Speed unknown. Size unknown. The unholy offspring of lightning and death itself. Never engage this dragon. Your only chance, hide and pray it does not find you.
demons!
No, I'm not a demon. I'm not a demon.
See? Holla back, bitch, tell me your name and why you think that fucking crazy gonna run up your fame. I heard you talk about Aisha, even copy the look. I heard you taking my identity while keeping you crook. I fucking change it up daily.
Hesitate. So put your record on. Tell me your favorite song. You go ahead, let your head down. Sapphire and faded jeans. I hope you get your dreams. Just go ahead, let your head down.
Have to let go. The innocence is gone. Let's not kill the drama. Let's not start a fight.
Fellas in the house, you can't deny. All y'all wants to ride. I wanna ride. I wanna ride. You're a demon!
No, I'm not a demon. I'm not a demon.
See? Just a guy. Just a guy here to rescue these dragons, so,
But you walked through fire!
Dragon scales! Dragons shed a lot.
Oh, I know a demon when I see one. No human legs are that steady.
Bud, you wanna do something here? Or?
Every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do.
What do you think, bud? You want to give this another shot? Toothless, it'll be fine. Ready?